In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A07. If you find the video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That helps me a lot. Thanks. The first method is pressing the power and volume down button simultaneously, like this. Here is an example. That takes a screenshot. I will show you a second time. So, that's the first method. The second method involves swiping your screen down from the right to reveal the control panels, and we can add a screenshot button right here. To do that, click this edit icon at the top. Select Edit. Under this section below, where it says Available Buttons, we can now look for a button that says Take Screenshot. It's right here, so I will just click on that, and that adds a screenshot button for us. Now we click Done. And we now have a button we can press to take a screenshot. And when we go to Gallery or Photos, we should see our screenshots. Lastly, you can also take scrolling screenshots. Let's say you visit this web page and you want to take a screenshot of the whole page. You can do that on the Galaxy A07. All you have to do is go to the part you want to start from, then take a screenshot using any of the method mentioned earlier. So, I will use the second method by swiping the right side and then click on this button that takes a screenshot, and right here you will see some options. I will click on the first one, and that captures the next frame. I will continue pressing it until we get to the end of the page or wherever we want to stop. Now when we go to Gallery, we would see all of our screenshots. And right here we also have our scrolling screenshot. I can double tap to zoom and we can view the whole screenshot. So that is how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A07.